fine dining, you have to do something different, something special, something unique. Always like to create new things. Most of the times I'm dreaming the plate, and the day after I try to realize that you put your soul on the plate. Cooking is my life, so it's not the passion for me, it's an obsession.
He has a very brave approach. He has a very unique approach. He loves to combine different tastes. Like you go there and you think every time, okay, I didn't expect that. Like sweet with fish and pickled things and everything that you would say up front, no, that won't work. He knows what he wants, so he's going his own way.
We're putting imagination on a plate. He has a great palate for flavor, and he wants to incorporate this and his imagination. Every dish we have is from a childhood memory, or so he's just walking through the forest one day, he look at something and think, okay, I want to put this on our menu. What can I do?
Now we are not far from Budapest, in the countryside. We are looking for some rose hip for my new dessert. It's a combination of rose hip, pig's heart and pig's blood. I really like pig's blood because I'm from Transylvania. We're eating a lot of blood, you know. The castle of Dracula is not far from my hometown, so.
His approach is not to recreate Hungarian cuisine through modernizing and making it more contemporary and refreshing it, but to say, okay, we have this and this ingredients in this region. I want to create something very special and very unique according to my taste.
I'm just never scared about new things. My philosophy is in the life, you have to try everything. Please taste it.